Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be telling you how to set up the AMD Wraith Prism cooler on a B450M motherboard. Now setting up this CPU cooler on another motherboard shouldn't be much different, the process is still the same. But if you would like to check out this specific motherboard, a link will be in the description below along with a link to the AMD Wraith Prism cooler itself. Now the AMD Wraith Prism cooler costs $60 on Amazon.ca. Oh, and also I will have a demonstration of all the lighting effects in the end of the video, so skip to that if that's what you came here for. To begin the process of setting up the AMD Wraith Prism cooler, you first have to install it onto your motherboard. And to do this, I'll have a video in the description below if you have trouble with this. And once you've completed that, really all you have to do is take the cable, as we have right over here. I don't know if you guys can see that. I will try to go a little lower. It's right here. It's routed all the way to the back of the case for me, and it comes back out at the bottom, and it connects right over here to this port right there, and that's where you're going to want to connect it. It's going to allow you to control the RGB effects, and you won't have an issue with the software. As we'll see later, the software doesn't let you enter in and control the RGB effects if you do not connect it into the right port. Once you finish installing your AMD Wraith Prism cooler onto your motherboard and plugging in the cable in the right place, you're going to want to move on to your desktop and search up the software to download to control the RGB. So to do that, we're going to simply go and search up AMD Wraith Prism software, and you want to go onto the first website that pops up. I'm going to have a link to this in the description below. And from here, you just want to click download, and you're going to click download again, and it's going to download into your files. Once you're done that, something like this should download onto your computer, and we're just going to open that up again, and you're going to want to install it from here. So once you've completed installing it, it'll be on your computer, and it should pop up like this onto your desktop if you select it to do so. And from here, if you open it up, this is how the software looks. Now, if you do not plug in the cable in the right place, you'll have something like this pop up on your screen. But if you do it right, this is how it should work. And alright, so I'm gonna set up my camera to watch my AMD CPU cooler, and I'm also gonna have my desktop recording go on, and I'm gonna have them side by side so you guys can see the differences in each one of these controls. Alright everyone, thanks so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you did. And if you have any questions, leave them down below. I'll do my best to answer them. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.